Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Tonya. And if you're returning, well today I have a really quick mini Dollar Tree haul to share with you. The first thing I found were these magnets. And these are really nice quality. And with Mother's Day coming up, and Easter, and I thought what a neat little gift to put in a basket. But you can tell the colors in them and the way they're designed, they are just really, really pretty. Definitely worth the $1.25. Now, the next thing I picked up was just these cherry blossoms. These are my florals of choice, and I love to put these in my neutral home decor. And the colors are perfect. I think they kind of look a little more realistic with the branches. Here are the new garden stakes. Now, I'm actually going to be using these inside. And you could use them outside if you give them a coat of Mod Podge or something. But look how adorable these are. Or we can take that little sign off and use it on something else. But they did really good on the colors. Love the wording on here. And I thought these were just a really neat find. And I actually took these right out of the box. So I was really, really happy to find these and to get on here and to show you these, because I think these will definitely get gone. Now, the next two that I found were some round ones. And I think they did have a couple more, but these were the two that I really liked. I love this blue, plant seeds of happiness and kindness and love. And that one, all things grow with love. And look at the colors. The green is just perfect for what's in 2022. Now, the next thing I found were these little hanging signs, and this is all kind of going with the garden theme. And this is one of my favorite, meet me at the garden gate. And I thought this would be another one that you could kind of maybe put some framing around it with some of the little towering blocks, or glue it on top of something else and have some designs in behind it. And Garden of Whedon, that's just too cute. And I even like the font that they're using on these signs. I don't even think we would have to change them. And of course, they finally got our little bunny ear wreath rims. And I have got the best DIY planned for this one on Saturday. So definitely hit that bell and reminder. Now, here is the little greenhouses. Now, these were new to me. I don't know if you have seen these, but I'm definitely going to be doing a video on how I start a lot of my seeds, because I got a lot of really neat tips for that. But I like the size of this, and I thought these were just really, really neat. And what I like to do is kind of separate the flowers and plant a few in containers all together like this, and then I pull them out and put them in different cups. But that was definitely worth $1.25, because those little trays are expensive. Now, the last thing I found was these little plastic jars, and the reason why I wanted to show you these are over in the Crafter Square section, and I'm going to be using these also for the DIYs coming up this Saturday. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed today's haul. If so, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I hope you consider doing so. I will be doing hauls the first part of every week, and we'll be doing DIYs that will be uploaded at 11 a.m. every Saturday. And don't forget to leave me a comment below, and I will see you on the next one.